For scratch repair, you'll need the following tools. First, clean the scratch from dirt using the scraper. After preheating, weld the scratch with the welding device. Then allow it to cool down for 2 minutes. After cooling, remove the excess material with the paint stripper. Smooth the repaired areas with the paint scraper. The alkus solid plastic panel is repaired to a seamless state in just a few minutes and ready for use.